Ready to explore your artistic talent? This tutorial covers some of the basic features in Animation Desk. Let's create some animations and have fun. To begin a project, you can import videos and other media, or start a new sequence. You can name it, set up background colors, video duration, number of frames, and frame rate. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll demonstrate with an already started animation. At the top, you will notice the brush function. On the left, brush settings, on the right, layers, and a color wheel. Tap, hold, and slide to adjust brush size and opacity. In the same way, you can rearrange layers and play around with more settings like layer opacity by tapping. To change brush color, tap the color wheel. You can work with the color wheel or the RGB swatch to get your desired colors. Enable the onion skin through settings. This can help you draw based on previous images in the sequence, ensuring smooth animating. Turn it off anytime using the shortcut. Another useful function is the paint bucket. Use it to fill in colors with ease. Use stencils and rulers to draw clean and precise lines and shapes. You can transform, rotate, or move it around, depending on what you need to draw. Here, we are drawing a ball for the cat. Now we want to copy this ball. First, circle the ball with the selection tool, then copy. Move to the next frame and choose a spot to paste the ball on. Now, repeat the process. Well done. Press play to preview your animation. After previewing the animation, you might want to change the order or duration of the frames. Go to the frame viewer and select your desired frames. After that, you'll find the copy, repeat, export, tag, and delete buttons at the bottom of the screen. All done with your animation? Now it's time to export the video, including video, GIF, PDF, Photoshop layers, and a re-editable AD package file. As a finishing touch, add a soundtrack to your video. And that's it! Animation Desk works on iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows devices. Download the app and give it a try.